Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering off and removing every cable. This prevents short circuits while you clean. Once done, place the laptop on a flat, stable surface and open the lid to about 120-135 degrees so you can access screen and keyboard comfortably. Make sure your cleaning kit is within reach. Compressed air for debris, 70% plus isopropyl for disinfecting, microfiber for streak-free wiping, and foam swabs for crevices. This setup step saves time and reduces risk as you move into active cleaning. Start with compressed air to blow out crumbs from the keyboard. Hold the can upright and use short bursts at an angle to avoid moisture. Next, dampen a microfiber cloth lightly with isopropyl and wipe the display using gentle circular motions. This removes oils without damaging coatings. For between the keys, employ foam swabs and a soft brush to dislodge dirt while tilting the laptop slightly so debris falls away. Make sure to avoid spraying liquids directly on surfaces to prevent seepage into internals. Finally, clean ports and cooling vents with compressed air in short bursts, following up with a soft brush to coax out stubborn dust. This restores airflow and prevents overheating. Wipe the laptop chassis with a cloth lightly dampened with isopropyl, then dry immediately to avoid residue. Once reassembled and rebooted, verify keyboard and display function. If keys stick, lights flicker, or the fan runs loudly, power down and reseat external connectors. If problems persist, consult professional support. This last step prevents damage and ensures reliable operation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.